Hey, what is up, intelligent people? I'm Mr. Sicko, and today we're going to be taking a look at MMAT. You know, it's Sunday. But first of all, I hope you guys are all right throughout the weekend, okay? Like, if you have been following my videos, I have these numbers bigger, so whenever I say here, you can actually see the price, at what level am I talking about, so this will be great. This is what I change on TradingView, and so on, so on. So in today's video, like what I really wanna kind of say and point out is basically about the pioneers, the new investors that are invested in MMAT. Like what are my thoughts about that and all other good stuff. Also, what I really want to talk about that is that like George on he like pretty much had some like very bullish informations out there, so I really want to read that. But overall, like all we want to do is trying to keep the vibe positive and all the other good stuff. There is no need to kind of be like how was the word called? There's no need to be kind of scared or something like that about the MMT stock, because you already know for the future it will be huge gain. And as you see, this whole candle right here was 25%, and this is the 4 hours candle. Okay, so yeah. On Friday, the price like really wanted to push up. So, what I really want to say is about the pioneers, the new investors. Okay, so Meta is not a pushover as some mainstream things, and even avoids to tell the truth about the Meta development. Okay, so Meta is not waiting, and day by day it's getting better and better. Okay, what is the proof? So see the four companies Meta took over ownership. Rolite, California, USA. It's a roll mask lithography. Okay, then they took over MediaWise, United Kingdom. It's a GlucoWise and MRI. Okay, and Interglass, Switzerland is a Vision Tech. The fourth company is the Nanotech Canada, or Nano Printing and Security. Okay, a team of scientists from Google to Stanford to investors formed a formable force to push the high tech product to market. Okay, so they have uh, a good amount of great scientists in their team, and the new facility underway. So many product will be tested or manufactured, leading to push product to market and with partnership. Okay, so the future may become even more excited if another branch of manufacturing opens in the USA. Okay, and as I said at the beginning, I really want to talk about something that George said on his Twitter. Okay, he replied to one guy right there, so I really want to see look at that. So what he basically said is, let me just kind of find a tweet, because I really kind of think that is bullish as hell. Okay, so he replies to someone taught him, that's Mark Miller. So he says, "Are you able to confirm that once the NTS Corporation deal is complete, MMET will be using their production capability and EBL to manufacture semiconductors with our RML or RML tech?" Okay. And then James Vincent has due diligence link regarding the nanotech. I believe investors could find this compelling vertical. Okay, and he replied that yes, we will be manufacturing our metal materials and photomask as well as NIL templates. Okay, so a pretty bullish. Okay, and one person replied to him. So he said, if you want to squeeze the so basically this is from Jimbo, I guess. Yeah, he said, so if you want to squeeze the shorts in Monday morning, or like 8:30 EST, PR could definitely do it. Chart is primed. Okay, so there is not much like we can do about it except if we buy. I mean, I know a lot of the people are like pretty excited right now. I mean, right now would probably be a great time to buy too. Like, although we or however we like, although we have like really been pushing to the upside, as I said, like if you did manage to buy in right here at this lowest point right there, it's not the lowest point, but around nine. Yeah, let's just say 290. Okay, 290 right there. The right around now on Friday where we closed, you could have been up like 42% in the following 3 days, which is a pretty good thing. Or for 3 to 4 days, it's a pretty good thing for Matirials. As you can see, for pretty much a while time, we have been kind of consolidating from, let's say, 13th of July till right around 25th of August. Okay, so for the 44 days or something like that, we have been kind of consolidating, and the patient did get did kind of hold enough, and we did manage to push to the upside. Okay, so that's a pretty good thing. Okay, and we are ready to burn the shorts. Okay, let's get them. That's it. We are ready to burn them, and that's it. So another thing that I really want to talk about is this technical analysis right here, and why is that? Well, mainly because, so as I said, guys, as you can see, my prediction was not that all right. I mean, I did know that the price will push to the upside, but it never kind of fall back in another what, like around. We never kind of fall back to this line, additional 4%, which okay. I mean, I cannot kind of understand because look, I had a Fibonacci from this higher low to this high right here. And as you can see, we did manage to touch that 382 on the Fibonacci level and then kind of managed to push to the upside, kind of demolish this minus 6180 area. And as you can see, it kind of never came back to the golden zone right here, which is absolutely okay. I mean, I can absolutely believe it. I first of all thought that we could also be touching this area right here because it is a great retest area. If you like scroll to the lower time frame, I mean that's how the market moves. Okay, I thought that we were about to kind of tickle this high and then kind of push to the upside, but that's not what happened. Okay, so what are my next thoughts about that? Well, basically, I will be solely be looking for kind of a retest around these areas and then kind of continue this move to the upside if you can kind of do that. But okay, so something like this. Okay, so yeah, that is my prediction and how it sits how it sits with me at the moment. But I personally think that on Monday we could be seeing a pretty huge run up to the upside or a huge gap between this close right here and the Monday's open, which I think that will be around 440 or something like that. A pretty big difference, but we are going to be seeing what will be happening. There's not much we can do about it except like kind of predict that and kind of give our thoughts about it. But yeah, as you can see, we did kind of manage again to tickle that zone at 382 on the Fibonacci, which is a pretty how do I say that? I think that pretty much happens a lot. Okay, so we personally for MMAT, as you can see, oh no, that's on okay, so personally for MMAT, what has been happening for quite a lot, as you can see, as I just saw you like two examples. The stock price, I mean, it like really wants to touch that 382 on the Fibonacci, as you see, it did touch that right there, and as you can see, this does not mean that it already touched that, but this is very close. So yeah, it kind of is basically the same thing as you can see, and we're gonna be seeing if it on Monday could like really touch this zone right here. It's pretty high, like quite volatile, and it also has a big. Okay, it has a pretty good. How do I say that, bro? I'm picking words that I cannot even like say. Okay, because English is not my kind of a like the language. My first language. Okay, it's my second. Which I really want to learn. Okay, and I'm on the road to that. But as you see, there is a high probability chance that we could also tickle this high right here, and it is basically sitting at the 618, basically the golden zone area, or golden zone on the Fibonacci. Okay, so we're gonna be seeing what will happen with that. Let me know what are your thoughts about this, and peace out. And yeah, basically peace out and have a great day for the rest of your day, guys. And comment down below, what do you think are your thoughts about this? Everything about MMAT that has been going on, and you know that right now that you are a placeholder on the MMAT dividend. Okay, they said that they're going to be giving out a dividend no longer than the 31st of December 2021. Okay, so till there or at the end of this year, I mean this is the last date, but this year, not 2022 or 1st of January 2022, but this year you're going to be getting your dividend, and that is for sure. And if you use Vebble, we will basically you will see that you are a placeholder, and there is a value of 0.000. But yeah, the value will get there, and you will get your dividend. So peace out. Have a great day for the rest of your day, and bye.